Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 31, and we're diving into advanced SQL and database interaction. In this video, we'll cover joins, subqueries, and complex queries, indexing and optimization techniques, and working with multiple database systems. Let's get started. SQL is a powerful language, and today we'll explore some advanced features like joins, subqueries, and complex queries. Let's start with joins. Joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column. Here are the different types of joins. Inner join returns only the matching rows from both tables. Left join returns all rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. Right join returns all rows from the right table and the matched rows from the left table. Full outer join returns all rows when there is a match in either left or right table. Let's see an example using inner join. Suppose we have two tables, users and orders. We want to find all orders placed by users. Subqueries are queries within queries. They help us perform complex filtering and data extraction. Here's an example of a subquery to find users who have placed orders. You can also write complex queries combining multiple SQL features. Let's move on to indexing and optimization techniques. Indexing is crucial for improving the performance of database queries. An index on a column allows the database to find rows much faster. To create an index, you can use the createIndex statement. Here's how to create an index on the name column of the user's table. Now, let's talk about query optimization. Some techniques include using indexes. As we've seen, indexes speed up data retrieval, avoiding unnecessary columns. Select only the columns you need. Proper use of joins. Ensure you're using the most efficient join for your query. Using explain. This command helps you understand how your query is being executed. Here's how to use explain to analyze a query. Python allows us to work with various database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Let's see how to connect to different databases using Python. Here's an example of connecting to a MySQL database using the MySQL connector Python library. Similarly, you can connect to PostgreSQL using the scicop2 library. Whether you're using MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite, Python makes it easy to interact with multiple database systems. And that's a wrap for day 31 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we explored advanced SQL features like joins, subqueries, and complex queries, learned about indexing and optimization techniques, and saw how to work with multiple database systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 32. Keep coding and happy learning.